Welcome back TechWell family. Today we are going to see about one of the most asked interview question in foreign key, and it's a top most asked interview question for freshers and experienced candidate. Let's see. So the question is, can I create a foreign key against only a part of composite primary key? What is composite primary key? Because each table have only one primary key. Suppose we want to create more than one primary key in a table, so that is called composite primary key. So I am going to create stuff type table, and that table containing two primary key. One is type ID and one is alternate ID using constraint name pk stuff type and the primary key column I mentioned. Suppose I am doing like this way, same thing, and I'm mentioning primary key as a comma and first column and second column primary key. So if I am going to execute this statement, it will throw an error. Each table having only one primary key. See, table can have only one primary key because I am mentioning two times for two columns. So we can't create composite primary key for this way. So what is the way? This is called composite primary key. So we define only one time for primary key. If we want more than one column in a table, so we can use comma separated within that open bracket, close bracket. Okay. So this is called composite primary key. So now I am going to create a stuff type table. So table created. Now I am going to create a new table, our stuff type, and that table containing stuff ID, stuff name, our type ID, and constraint. Now I am going to make a relationship between parent table. Parent table means stuff name, stuff type. So I am mentioning parent, and this is child. Making a relation between parent and child. So child table or type ID is referring to stuff type table type ID. Okay, this ID. So now I am going to make a relationship, but I am doing part of composite primary key referring to child main table. See the error, no matching unique or primary key for this column. That means we have created a composite primary key. Okay, the composite primary key containing two columns, type ID and alter ID, but for foreign key we mentioned only one column. That's why it's showing an error. See why this error coming? The foreign key of the table refer primary key or unique key of another table. Here in the above example, we created pk as a composite primary key, type ID and alternate ID. So while creating a foreign key, it should be refer both composite, not a part. But we are doing reference to type ID. Only we are doing only type ID we referring. So that is why we are facing this error. Suppose we want to troubleshoot this issue, we need to create a alternate ID for child table, and we mention both column in reference column and foreign key column. So now I am going to execute this table. Now table created. This is the concept. So the question answer is no. We can't create part of composite primary key for foreign key. So we cannot create a foreign key against only part of composite primary key. Thank you all. Please subscribe our channel to get more information like this kind of interview questions. If you have any query or any doubts in some particular concept, please comment me. I will explain in future videos. Thank you all. Bye.